Battle of the 2-to-1 shots. Light favorite being now number 8. Circle the Page. Late money coming in on that one, dropping her from 2-to-1 down to 7-5. 2-to-1 on number 3. BETTIM Jackie. Here they come. They're off and pacing. Four of them leave out in a line. Down the center, Promise Blue Chip. Far outside, Village Jamie. BETTIM Jackie at the inside. Third away, Glance with Me from the pole position. Perch gets away in that fourth spot. Circle the Page will get good position off the gate as DRURY finds her the 5-hole. Sixth inside, we go to find the Time to Win. Franzuk parked out, pressing seventh. Classy Chris is backed up into an early 8-hole. Ninth and off the speed as they go to the quarter. Katie's Gal, and trailing from back in 10th is Big Chute. Big quarter, it's 27-second speed to that first post. And already on the move out of third is BETTIM Jackie as right lines BETTIM Jackie, and she goes into blast mode right now. BETTIM Jackie circles from third to first, and she overtakes Village Jamie coming to the midway point. DRURY's not going to let Wah get away up front, so he's on the move already with Circle the Page. She was on the move in the backstretch, and she's quickly right up alongside BETTIM Jackie. So the logical two on the tote board hook up at a 57 1/2. Here outside is Circle the Page on the outside trying to get by. BETTIM Jackie at the inside rather than tussle. She'll let her go and enjoy that 2-hole trip from here. Back to third to Village Jamie. Underway fourth outside now Franzuk. Fifth up on the move is Glance with Me. Sixth towards the rail is Promise Blue Chip. Seventh inside, the Time to Win. Slightly gapped on cover, Classy Chris. 3 wide, time for Katie's Gal from the backfield, and also circling up is Big Chute. They're at 3/4 in 125 4, turning for home. Circle the Page leads the way. She's 2 lengths in front. Back into second is BETTIM Jackie. In at the rail from in third, Village Jamie. Late speed comes from Katie's Gal on the far outside. They've got an 1/8 of a mile to go. DRURY will try and get Circle the Page to last for the final 16th now. Here comes BETTIM Jackie to her wheel. Circle the Page. BETTIM Jackie's inching in. Circle the Page, dead game. Circle the Page wins the Blizzard by a long neck over BETTIM Jackie. Then Katie's Gal finishing fourth was Big Chute in 154 4.